garlic tea is super spicy and warming and can help clear away coughs and colds quickly. To make garlic tea, mince up about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. And put the minced garlic into a small saucepan and fill the saucepan with about a cup of water. Put it onto the stovetop and heat up the water until it's boiling, and then turn off the heat and allow it to steep for about 10 minutes. Then strain off the garlic using a small strainer. And add about a teaspoon of raw honey or maple syrup and the juice of 1 lemon. Stir that all together and drink right away. It's a great natural remedy that you can whip up really quickly that will heat up your whole body and help to flush colds and flus out of your system faster. I hope you enjoy giving this a try, and I will speak to you in the next Documenting Simple Living video.